What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Pianosaurus from Poppy Playtime 4. Let's begin today's lesson all the way up towards the top of our page with the center horn. So we're going to start with the base with a half circle, coming down and then up. From the ends we're going to bend the horn, going up and in towards a center point. Now I want to fold the muzzle in behind that horn. So on the left we're going to go out and then down. Mirror that over on the right side. Now I want to leave a gap, step down on the left, bend the mouth, coming down and in towards the center point, go out and then up towards the right. Now tuck the mouth in underneath that fold. We're going to step down, going up, bend that out, and we'll open up the mouth, starting back on the left, coming down, pull that in towards the middle, go out, and then all the way back up towards the right side. Let's draw in the black piano keys. Starting in the middle, draw two lines coming down, and then flatten off the bottom. And then in the center, draw a straight line coming all the way down. Now we're going to leave a gap and draw that again. Stepping over, draw a straight line coming down, flatten off the bottoms, and then go straight up. Now I'm going to add one more set. Again, leaving a gap, coming down to line this up, go out, and then back up. And then from the bottom of each of these keys, we're going to draw another straight line coming down. In between these keys, we're going to draw another straight line to separate each of those keys. We're just going to add one more line on the outside, and we'll do the same thing going out towards the right. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of each of those keys along the top. Now let's go back up to the top and draw two circles for the eyes. So starting on the left, go all the way around, and then in, and then just line that up on the right. On the top of each eye, draw a small circle for highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now in the center, we're going to move up and draw another curve for that larger horn. We start on the left, coming down and up, and from the ends we're going to bend this up and then in towards that center point. From the side of that horn, it's going to curve the head, going out around the eyes and then down. Let's work our way out towards the cheeks. We're going to bend this out and up, round up the cheeks. I'm just going to trace the mouth, coming down and in towards the middle, and go up towards the right. Let's separate the cheeks with a curve, starting from the top left, coming in towards the corner of the mouth, and then out. Let's add those two large horns on the side of the head. So back on the left, and it's out and then up. Line that up on the right side. Round up the horn, come down and then in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the top half of the neck. We're going to start over on the left side, bend this around, go across the middle, and then up and in on the right. Now over on the left side, we're going to step down, add a curve for the arms, coming in and then down towards the elbow, and then line that up on the right side. From the elbow, bend the arm coming down and out towards the first claw. Now I want to add three large claws on either side. Start on the left. We're going to start by going up, go all the way across and stretch that down towards the tip of the claw, then it's in, and then up towards the bottom of the foot. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, go all the way across, and then down, and close off the bottom. Let's layer 2 more claws along the side. So we're going to start from the top, going up, and then down towards the tip, and then back in. Let's do that one more time. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right, starting from the top, going down towards the tip, and then in. Now we want to go back to the elbow. We're going to separate the forearm. We're going to go up, and then bend that down on top of that last claw. Let's go back up to the top of the arm. It's going to round this out, and then pull that down on top of the forearms. Go to the side, we're just going to close off that trim, coming down towards the arms, and then from the bottom, it's going to curve the body, coming down and then up. Now let's bend the legs out towards the side. We're going to start from the side of the arm, going up, round up the leg, coming down and in on top of the forearms. And we'll separate the legs, starting from the top, and it's in and then down. Now we're going to draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left, going around the arm and then down, top of the legs. And we'll add a trim along the outside of the upper body, going around and then down. Now we're going to bring the tail out from the left side. Let's start from the bottom of the leg, going out and then in. And we'll bend that out toward the tip of the tail. Let's round up the tail. I'm just going to follow that curve going wider as you come back in toward the side of the leg. Let's add some sections to the tail. Start from the bottom, curve this up and then in, move up and draw another curve. Now we're going to add these little spikes across the top of the tail. Let's start on the bottom, going up and then down, just working our way up toward the top. Now we're going to add those piano keys across the body. Let's start from the top. Curve this down and then up. Leave a gap. Just continue down towards the bottom. And we'll do the same thing across the lower part of the body. Let's alternate the black keys. From this section here, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down. Skip the next one and draw that again. Let's fill these 2 keys in black. Now I want to do the same thing across the lower body, so we're going to skip one, drop 2 lines, and then just work our way down towards the bottom. And then we'll fill these 3 keys in black. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Pianosaurus from Poppy Playtime 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters from Poppy Playtime. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.